In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Display Child Pages feature in the Castello theme. This feature helps you display the sub-pages of a parent page in a list or in a grid mode. Let's look at the Our Rooms page. Currently it has 4 sub-pages, one page for each room type. Edit a page that has sub-pages. On the right side of the screen, find the Custom Options meta box. Find and enable the Display Child Pages checkbox. Select the list layout and save your changes. Let's look at the page. You can see that every child page is displayed below the page content. Let's try the grid layout, but I will also hide the excerpts and I will enable a slideshow instead of page thumbnails. You can use this feature for all kinds of pages. You can display your packages and special offers, create a directory of local attractions, popular restaurants, wineries, events, and so on. If all this sounds too difficult, you might be interested in our special professional setup package. You can visit our pricing page for information about our pricing plans and special packages. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.